Hey, I'm Stacy Gass. I'm the welding instructor for Reed State Technical College. I'm also the welding instructor here at the Career Tech Academy in Buckley County. This is a 3-year program. You come in here in the 10th grade. You can stay in here for 3 years. Going to give you credit for Reed State Technical College as you're here.
My name is Jackson Simmons, and I'm preparing the plate to do an open V butt joint. This is my 3rd year, and since I've been in this class, I've learned to weld with 60-10s and 70-18 welding rods, and I can do flat vertical overhead T-joint. Right now I'm getting ready to do an open V and prepare to take an open V test so I can get a job. This is my CTE.
My name is Nick Powell. I am in the 11th grade. This is my 4th semester in the academy. I am in the current position of overhead 70-18, and this is my CTE.
Hey, my name is Caden Coker. I'm a senior here at Greenville High School. This is my 3rd semester. Here at Greenville High School, I'm currently learning how to do vertical open V butt tests. I learned how to weld with 60-10, 70-18, and MIG weld since I've been in this class. This is my 3rd semester, and after this, I'm gonna attend Reed State and finish my career there at Reed State. And this is my CTE.
Hey, my name is Quincy Howard. I'm a senior at Greenville High. This is my 1st year in the CTE Academy. I'm in the process of learning how to weld with a 60-10 and cutting with a torch. This is my CTE.
Hi, I'm Terry Cook. I'm a lift getter here at Greenville High School. This is my 1st year, and currently I'm learning how to weld with a 60-10. I hope to make it to my senior year, and then after this go to Reed State and finish my education in welding. Hopefully one day I can get a job here. This is my CTE.
My name is Demarion Gandy. I am a student in the Buckley County Career Academy. This is my 2nd semester. I am currently learning how to do a 60-10 on a flat T-joint, and this is my CTE.
I'm Boris Bogan. I'm in 11th grade. I've been welding for 4 semesters here. Currently, I'm welding with 70-18s in the overhead position, and as long as I've been here, I've learned a lot welding from 60-10s, flat, vertical, and overhead, to cutting with a torch, and now to flat 70-18, and now in the overhead position. This is my CTE.
My name is Jacob Simmons. I'm a junior here at Greenville High School. Been learning to weld for 2 years. I've learned to weld flat, overhead, and vertical with 70-18, 60-10. And I've learned to MIG weld, and I plan to get a job in welding later when I get out of high school. This is my CTE.